Hi, and welcome to It's Time to Eat with Dawn. Today we're going to be making a cucumber salad. So let's get right in. Okay, so we're going to slice the cucumber into generously sized pieces. Okay, I think that's pretty much good. Okay, and then we're going to grab a little bit of salad over here. I brought some pre-made salad because I want us to, let me just slide this over. I want this to be sort of quick and easy. So I'm going to put a little bit of this in. And then I'm going to put a little cucumber in, like this. Okay. And then I also, have some sliced carrots. So when you're in a hurry, sliced carrots are good. So these are the sliced carrots right here. And I'm going to just be putting these in here, like this. Okay. Great. And then we're going to also add a little bit of onion. So I'm going to put these, actually let's use this. I'm going to put these in a little bowl for now for us to use later. So they're in there. Okay. So back to our salad. Let's cut a little bit of onion. Ooh. Okay, so let's just cut a little bit of this. Okay, and I'm using red onion. Let me just take the peel off of this for a second. I'll clear this out later. Okay, so we're good there. And now I like to slice it just like this to keep it nice and round. But you can slice the onion any way you like. And I like it pretty thin. Like this. Okay. So we're just going to put this here. I'm going to do one more, I think. Okay. Just let your coworkers know if you're bringing this to lunch. Give them a little warning about the onion. Okay, and then I'm just gonna put this in here, like this. And now what I wanna do before we go further with this, I wanna add some beans for protein. Okay, because we have a lot of great stuff in here, but I want us to now add the protein, and the salad dressing will be the fat. Okay. What I'm using today are these red organics kidney beans. So I'm just gonna, I rinse these off. You don't have to if you don't want to, but I prefer to rinse them. add some beans, which are protein, to our salad. And a serving of these, I believe, is a half a cup. So we can be generous with these. Okay. Again, we want to be kind to our coworkers and not put too many beans. Okay. So let's see. I'm just gonna put some of. I absolutely love the taste of red onion on salad. I don't know about you, but there's something about it that, I don't know, I love it. So, but it's up to you how much you want to put on. How much, how little. But that's pretty much a great salad for me. Now, one more thing. I want us to put some sliced almonds on there, and this is going to give us a little bit more fat and a little bit more protein. It's got some 4% potassium, some iron in here. So this salad is good. It's got some iron, some potassium, of course vitamin C, all different vitamins in here. And we've got, what else do we have in here? We have a lot of goodness happening in the salad. A lot of goodness. And it's fulfilling. It'll keep you feeling full. It'll keep you feeling satisfied once you've eaten this. So let's see. So for me, what I'm gonna do is this is store-bought. I'm not gonna make the dressing today because I'm trying to make these videos fairly short. But I bought this Greek goddess dressing, which is divine. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some sesame tahini in here. This is gonna give us a little bit more fat. It's got 10% iron, 2% potassium, 4% calcium in here. So just to add a little bit more nutrition, add to the nutrition profile. So what I'm gonna do here is, I'm just gonna grab a fork with this. Now this is a pretty thick dressing. Those of you who have used this before, it's pretty thick. And this is pretty thick too. So if you want to add some lemon juice or some oil, some water to it, anything you feel like would, let me move this out of the way so you can see what I'm doing, would thin it out a little bit. But I like thick dressings. It's not a big deal for me. But sometimes when you first use this, it takes a minute to start flowing. Okay, so that's good. So we've got that. Okay, and then again, this is the tahini, organics tahini, sesame tahini. And I'm just gonna add a little of this. And this, I don't know if you can see it, but it's pretty viscous. It's, it's this. Okay, so we're just gonna put a little bit of this in here, just to add a little more goodness. Not too much, because we don't want to drown the flavor. But okay, I'm gonna add a little bit more of this. I don't know about you, but I like a lot of dressing. So let me try this. That is good. That is good. I'm gonna add a little bit more tahini. Again, we don't want it to be overpowered with tahini, so. Yeah. Okay. So now you can just pour this on top, or you can wait till the morning of when you're going to work and put it on. But I'm gonna put it on right now. There we go. Yum. Okay. I'm just gonna let that kind of. I usually use my hands and I get in there, but I don't know. Since the pandemic, I'm a little less confident about doing that. Let's see. We're just coating the salad. And I mean, if you wanted to, you could have put the dressing on the bottom and then, right? But I didn't do that. But yeah, putting the dressing on the bottom of the bowl sometimes gets things a little bit coated a little bit easier. Because that bottom area, right? I mean, I guess it'll eventually get down there, but yum. Okay, and if you want to add some tomatoes to this or anything else, feel free. So let me grab a little of this. Get a good bite here. That's really good. Yeah, it's really good. Yeah. So this salad is good for anyone who wants to eat a more plant-based diet, anyone who's watching out for their blood sugar, and anybody who just wants to try and eat a little bit better. This is a pretty simple lunch to make for yourself. So I hope that you give it a try. Thank you so much, and thank you for watching It's Time to Eat with Dawn. See you next time. Bye.